Prof Banji Akintoye is a dubious man, and I will continue to say it. And I don't owe anybody an apology. I said it, that Professor Banji Akintoye is a dubious man, and that he was using Yoruba Nation for his personal gain.
Ọ̀rọ̀ ló délẹ̀ yìí o, ọ̀rọ̀ ńlá rèé o, gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá Nation pátápátá. Ṣé lóòótọ́ ni pé Professor Banji Akintoye wà nínú àwọn ẹgbẹ́ Afẹ́nifẹ́re tí wọ́n sì jẹ́ ọ̀kan gbòógì tí wọ́n jẹ́ ọ̀kan nínú àwọn trustee wọn, tó sì jẹ́ pé ohun tí Afẹ́nifẹ́re fẹ́ ó yàtọ̀ sí ohun tí Yorùbá Nation fẹ́? Èyí tó wá dáa jù ní pé kí Ọlálékan Ọ̀nlárewájú kó mú àrídájú wá o. Ó sọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kan tí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí náà sì ta bá Madam Onítìrí, wípé àfi kí àlàyé wá látọ̀dọ̀ bàbá Akintoye kí gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá lè mọ̀ dájú wípé kò sí wàhálà, àti wípé kí omi kó má bàa ti ẹ̀yìn wọ̀gbé lẹ́nu. Báwo ni ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlálékan Ọ̀nlárewájú yìí ṣe lágbára sí? Báwo ló ṣe fi ẹsẹ̀ múlẹ̀ sí? Ló fà á tí Ọlálékan Ọ̀nlárewájú fi jáde lásìkò yìí láti wá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa Professor Banji Akintoye. Ó ní who is fooling who? Báwo lọ̀rọ̀ ṣe jẹ́? Ẹ jẹ́ á gbọ́. Welcome to CrossBlogX TV. Remember to like, share and follow us. Ẹ já gbóhùn tí Ọlálékan Ọ̀nlárewájú rí tó rí ní pàtó tí ó fi wàrú ọwọ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Professor Banji Akintoye tó fi sọ gbogbo ohun tó sọ nípa wọn lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá Nation. Ẹ já gbọ́.
I said it, that Professor Banji Akintoye is a dubious man, and that he was using Yoruba Nation for his personal gain. And I don't owe anybody an apology. So, if you are not aware of what is going on in Nigeria as of today, let me give you this information for free. If you're a Yoruba Nation agitator, your Professor Banji Akintoye is now a member, Elders Caucus, Afenifere. If you don't know, Professor Banji Akintoye is an elder in a group called Afenifere. In fact, it's one of the elders in the caucus of Afenifere. About 2 weeks ago, Afenifere had a meeting, and then Pa Ayo was expelled from Afenifere. So if you don't know, so I'm bringing this information for you free of charge. So about 2 weeks ago, Afenifere had a meeting, and Professor Baba Ayo Adebajo was expelled from Afenifere, and then they now reconstituted the board of trustees of Afenifere. If you don't know, if you're not aware, Baba Adebajo used to be the president and chairman of Afenifere, but now Baba Fashionati is now back as the president of Afenifere and the chairperson. So Professor Baba Fashionati is now back in Afenifere as the chairman, and then Baba Adebajo had been expelled. Your Professor Banji Akintoye, who is a Yoruba Nation agitator, is a member now of board of trustee. Is a member. Your Professor Banji Akintoye is a member board of trustees of Afenifere. So how can you reconcile the two? Professor Akintoye, who is a Yoruba Nation agitator, is now a member board of trustees Afenifere. Everybody knows that Afenifere stands for
Afenifere
does not want Yoruba people to leave Nigeria. What Afenifere wants is for the country to be restructured. So let's get it clear. Afenifere have never canvassed for a separate nation for Yoruba people. So how can Professor Banji Akintoye, who is spearheading Yoruba Nation, at the same time be a member of Afenifere? Who is fooling who? Who is fooling who? Is that not a conflict of interest? If Professor Banji Akintoye has the genuine interest of the Yorubas at heart, if Professor Banji Akintoye is spearheading Yoruba Nation agitation. Why is he a member of Afenifere? No, not even another member. He's a member board of trustee and is among the elder caucus Afenifere, the new Afenifere. Because Afenifere has been reorganized because Baba Adebayo was expelled from Afenifere. So who is deceiving who? When I said it that Yoruba Nation agitation, that people who are clamoring for Yoruba agitation, either Professor Banji Akintoye, what was this lady's name? Onidiri, they were scammers. I said it, they were scammers, and they are scammers. And I don't owe anybody an apology, and I'm not going to withdraw my statement. That's my opinion. I'm entitled to my opinion. You might have a contrary opinion. You might even say that I don't have home training. I don't live my life in order to satisfy people. So how can Professor Banji Akintoye, who is the leader of Yoruba Nation agitation, be a member of Afenifere? I still don't know why we Yoruba people, I'm sorry to say, we don't use our common sense. I'm sorry to say it. We do respect, and forgive me, I don't know why we Yorubas, we refuse to use our common sense. How can Professor Banji Akintoye, who is the leader of the Yoruba Nation agitation, be a member of Afenifere? Is not a member of Afenifere. In fact, is a trustee of, is one of the trustees of Afenifere. How can you reconcile the two?
tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ibo lọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá Nation máa pàpà forí tì sí? Ibo ló fẹ́ já sí? Ṣé wàhálà gbogbo àwọn tó ti ń ṣe struggle Yorùbá Nation ṣé kò ní já sásán? Pàápàá pẹ̀lú irú àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí Ọlálékan Lánrewájú ti gbé jáde yìí, báwo ni clarification ṣe máa jáde pé nípa Yorùbá Nation yóò kò sí wàhálà o? Ẹ̀yin èèyàn, ẹ drop comment yín lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Kí lẹ rò pé ó ní láti jẹ́ way forward? Drop comment yín. Remember to like, share and follow us. Thanks for watching.